Hello, welcome to my channel, My Home, My Garden. In this video, I'm gonna give you a review of a new handsaw, FELCO 600, which I bought from Amazon. In our everyday garden care, we need a bunch of tools which are not only necessary but also crucial for getting our job done. The handsaw I bought was manufactured by Pygar Incorporated, which is located in Pennsauken, New Jersey, of course in the USA. When I conducted research online, I found that this handsaw was charged relatively a little higher than other similar products. And the product reviews on Amazon.ca were sort of very few, only 14 reviews in total. But I was intrigued by the product description and wanted to give it a shot. In this video, I'm gonna present to you the comfortableness of holding the saw as well as the sharpness of this handsaw. Finally, I'm gonna rate it on a 1 to 5 scale at the end of the video based on my personal experience. Now let's take a close look at what it looks like. It looks amazing, doesn't it? Let's take a first look at what it says in its product info. FELCO, the world-leading manufacturer of professional pruning shears and cable cutters since 1945. Here is the contact info of the company, and as we can see, this product is designed in Switzerland by FELCO, made in South Korea. Well, that's not what I expected. I thought it was made in the US or in Switzerland, where the headquarters of the company is located. Anyways, let's check out the saw. It looks good and pretty sharp as well. The handle looks a little too slim for me. When I'm holding it, it doesn't give me a sense of firmness. Also, both sides of the handle give me a sense of hollowness, and the front edges feel like cutting my fingers a little bit when I'm holding it tightly. I would prefer the handle like that of a pistol, as the sides are a little more plump, and I could have a sense of holding it with my fingers and my palm at the same time instead of the sense of holding it with my fingers only. I wish the designer could improve it a little, and such improvement would be more meaningful to guys with larger hands. The blade waggles if I'm pushing it to the side, like the left or the right, but if I don't push it to the sides, it looks okay and it can be closed nicely. Otherwise, the blade cuts the handle like this. As the blade looks sharp, when closing, we have to put our hand holding the handle away from the blade and close it this way. Next, I'm going to test the sharpness of the blade. We have a dead tree branch in our garden. I'm going to cut it off with this saw to see if it's worth the claim that it is the world-leading manufacturer. Okay, let's take it out. This is the tree branch that I'm going to cut off. I'm going to record the time to see how long it takes me to get the job done. I'm going to use my full strength to get it off. It feels very sharp and I can feel it, especially when I'm pulling the saw, and it cuts very quickly. We'll see how long it takes. I'll be doing the sawing and you can check out the seconds and minutes. It takes about 1 minute and 30 something minutes. It's sharp and definitely sharp. I'm glad I chose to buy this saw. If I rate this saw on a 5-star scale, I will give it 4 stars. Taking off 1 star is due to the fact that the product description on Amazon.ca gives its customers a sense that the saw was made in the US, but actually it's made in South Korea. That's confusing, isn't it? Another reason is that the handle was not properly designed from my point of view, and there's room for improvement. When it comes down to the sharpness, well, the saw is definitely a must-have. I haven't purchased the same type of saw made in the USA or Switzerland, and if I have one, I'll be sharing my experience with you, hopefully in the near future. And that's all. Thanks for watching My Home, My Garden. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button. See you next time.